Yo, what's good guys, producer Mykah here, and today guys I'm gonna be showing you how I structure my beats and also how I master my beats to post on YouTube so it sounds really heavy and nice. So without wasting time guys, let's go. So I have this nice melody, shout out to Manifest Sound, he sent me these amazing melodies, so we're gonna be using that to actually work on this beat. All right, so let's just listen to what the melody sounds like, then we go into making this vibe. Yeah, so this is what the melody sounds like. But I'm just gonna bring down the release a little bit. Let's take out some of the low ends. I'm just gonna send this to my mixer, and let's take out some frequencies. So we're on the key of F guys. So I think I'm just gonna put that down. Let's just give this some random color, put it over here. I think I'm gonna use a block. So I'm just gonna change this sound and use like a, let's say, one block. And I'm just gonna put in this vocal sample, so we have like a very solid vibe. Yeah, so I can now bring in the the melodies. Yeah, so then I'll just put in the drums. So while making my beat, I always make sure that as I go, I mix the sound. So whatever sounds I'm adding, I'm just making sure it fits with what I already have. So I'm just gonna use my EQ. Let's listen. Just bring down some of those sounds. Nice. So then I can start bringing in my drums, and I always tell you guys, to get good sounding mixes, you need to select good and quality sound. So I'm just gonna make sure that I'm actually using some nice sounds. So yeah, I have this nice rim. So this is the rim I'm gonna be using. Yeah, so let's go with this. Then I'm gonna just put in my drum fill after the 8th bar. Yeah, so I'll just put my drum fill there. Yeah, nice. So we'll go with that. So when creating my beat, I make sure that the first 8 bars I always make it my intro. So this, I'm just gonna use my Alt T and just give this a tag of intro. So I could just drag it here, drag it to the beginning, and we have our 8 bars. Just add our verse here. So have our intro, and I think I can add like a bass, like a sub bass to start it together with the intro. Let me use Driller. I think there's a nice bass on Driller. So I'm also gonna leave a link to Driller so you can go check them out. So just go over to the bass and let's pick some nice sounding bass. Yeah, I think I'll go with this irregular bass. I'm on the key of F, so just have like, call this our bass. So we're just moving from the 4 to 1, then the 6 to the 5. Yeah, so let's go with that. So I think I can add some more percussion just to give it some groove. Yeah, so we have like a vibe. Then I think I can bring in the kick from this part. Yeah, so make this unique. Yeah, so I think we have like a very solid intro. So as you can listen, everything is sounding really clean because I'm actually picking like the right sound, you know. So everything is little or no mixing and everything sounds really nice. Yeah, and I always make sure that my soft clipper is right on my master. So I'm just gonna put my soft clipper over here so everything is in check and it doesn't clip. Then I can add like a transition, taking us into the into the verse. Yeah, I think I can add that. I can add this crackle sound. Yeah, just use this as our transition and 2 bars. I'm just gonna use my EQ, just take out some of the highs because I feel like it's really having some high frequencies. Yeah, nice. So let's see what I can add from the loops that manifests are sent to me. So how did yeah, so I think I can add more conga, more percussion groove. So I'm gonna go add conga. Yeah, then from here. Yeah, nice. So I think I can add on that transition before the kicks come in. So let's go and add FX. Yeah, so I think we have like our intro, then we can go into the verse. So for this conga, I think I want to change it the way it's sounding. Yeah, so we have them go into the verse. So for my verse, I make sure my verse is 16 bars, So for the first 8 bars, it's a bit calm. Then the next 8 bars, I bring in some more elements. Then we go to our chorus. Yeah, so this is basically how I structure my beat, 8 bars for our intro, 16 bars for the verse. And I think for the hook, I can just keep it at 8 bars. Most times I go 16. So yeah, everything is sounding really nice and clean. And I haven't really done much, when it comes to mixing. So for my master, I already just put in my iron pusher, but you have to also use your ear when using the iron pusher. I have to listen to, to know what is actually nice and how it's sounding. So I'm just going to use iron pusher. Yeah. I'm just gonna go with the limiter, put it -1. So you can hear how the kick is punching out. Then put it in the chorus so you get this. Yeah, so basically just my ear I'm using. So I'm just gonna turn it off now, and this is what it sounds like. So it just sounds really heavy. So I could post it on YouTube and on BeatStars, and it's really, really nice. So what I'm just gonna sidechain my kick and my bass. This is a very quick one. I'm not spending a lot of time. Just want to show you guys how you can easily just structure your beats, and also quickly just master it for posting. Yeah, so this is sounding nice. So let's see from the top. Yeah, so I think this is this is fire. So this is just basically how I structure my beats: intro, verse, hook, chorus, verse 2, and just use iron pusher to give it some solid low end. ChordChord is an amazing website where you could generate tons of ideas, MIDI ideas, chord ideas, and use for your work. I'm just going to show you an example. I talked about it in my last video. So basically what this does is you select whatever style you're looking for. So they have rock, pop, R&B, hip hop, house, EDM, trap, ambient, and techno. So you just pick any one. So I can pick like R&B, just apply, and just hit this. It generates different chord ideas. It generates different chord ideas. So and you can keep generating till you actually get a progression that you like. So let me just show you an example. So you could play around with the tempo, and if you like an idea, for example, but you want to play around with this chord, you could just select the chord, hit on this pen tool, and it the AI brings different chord suggestion that's actually gonna work with the progression you are using. So if, for example, I pick this, yeah, so it works with whatever chord. I can decide to change this, hit on this pen tool. The AI brings different chord progressions that's gonna work with the progression. So we could pick this, and yeah, so different chord ideas that's gonna work. And when you're done playing around with it, you could just export it. You could either export it as WAV, MIDI, MP3, even as chord PDF, whichever format you like, and then you can use it in your DAW. So you can go try out ChordChord. The link to try it out is gonna be in the description. I'm gonna be doing another video where I'm gonna be using this ChordChord to generate chords and make a beat with it. So I hope you got something from this. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, like the video, and turn on the bell notification so when I post, you guys get to know, and you're gonna get access to amazing FLPs in the Patreon. So if you want to join the Patreon, the link is in the description of this video. And also if you want to try out ChordChord, the link is in the description of this video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace.